Are you tired of using conventional note-taking app and want to try which is more dynamic and versatile? Can be used in different platform. Let's say if you want to use it in iOS or Windows or macOS. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham. You are watching Technoholic. In this video, we will talk about one such application, which is known as Evernote. Evernote changed a lot, I would say, with time, and they have improved themselves a lot. So let's see how we can get started with Evernote. For that, let's jump into our computer screen, and there we go. Here we can see we already have open Google Chrome. Now here we need to type Evernote. Okay, and there we have it. So let's click here on download. As I was mentioning, it is available for Mac, Windows, and then in mobile for both iOS and Android. And not only that, you can also access Evernote in web as well, which means that all remaining OS platforms, for example Linux, there also you should not have any issue in using Evernote. So here you can see I am currently using Windows. So let me press menu button here, and here you can see I already have installed Evernote. I would say the process of installation is pretty standard. We simply need to click here on download for window, and here we will able to download the setup. Now simply we need to open the setup and then run it. So as I said, installation process is quite standard. If you face any issue or problem with Evernote installation, then do let me know in comment down below. If you want to use it in web, then simply here on the top you need to click on login. Here you can utilize your Google or Apple account, and that's how guys we can access it online. Now here we can see this is the interface of Evernote. I would say whether you use Evernote online or even on desktop version, the interface look exactly same, which means that it really doesn't matter whether you are using online or have desktop app. Now if we talk about its key capability, then here you can see it help us to streamline your day-to-day task and calendar, as here we have got this task and event for task and event management. And then here we also have got notes on the top, which we will check shortly. And here not only you can take normal note, but you also have option to take handwritten notes. Now let's again click on get started. Here you can see further more options that is available with Evernote. And here you can also connect your Google or Microsoft Outlook calendar with Evernote. That will give you better connected experience and will sync all your event together. Now I'm going to click here on skip, and then let's click here, and there we go. So here you can see some of my notes that I took in the past. Taking notes, I would say, is pretty straightforward. Here you need to click on note, and that's how guys we can get started. Now here on the top we can give our title name. So I'm gonna give Technoholic Planning. And then here you can see that you can also attach file here. For example, I would like to attach a file here. So simply I copied from my desktop and I pasted it here. So in this way guys we can add file here. Now let's try to add another document here. For example, this Excel workbook. So I'm gonna simply dragging and then dropping here. And there we go. Here we can see we have successfully added this Excel workbook here. And then here we also have option to either view it as a preview, or I can view it as a title. Similarly, I can also do this with this image as well. So in this way guys we can effectively organize or group documents that are relevant or related to each other. Now if you have used Microsoft Loop, here also if you press this / here you will see task, calendar, notes, heading, and so on. So let's start with a medium header, or probably I can add it here, and I can give it a name of relevant documents. So let me again go here below, and then I can start task, and here I can add task, for example, release video related to productivity, and then in this way we can keep on adding new task. Just like any other to do, we can define time, we can also add reminder, we can make it a reoccurring, which is really nice to have. And then you can also assign tasks here. For example, you are using Evernote in group, which I would say is really nice to improve your productivity. Now apart from task, let me also show you one more thing here, which is sketch. And this particular feature is also not available inside, for example, Microsoft Loop, that make Evernote more featureful compared to Microsoft OneLoop. Now here you can write anything. If you are using touch device or you have pen tablet, then I think it really makes sense. Here you can see I have added this sketch, and then again I can convert its view type from title to preview, which kind of give you space saving as well. And then again, if you want to edit it, here we have got option to edit and sketch. Again, we can click on it, and then you can make all necessary changes. And then here we can see we have several other options. Since we need to cover a lot, so I will not be talking about all these options, but these options I would say are quite relevant and will help you to complement your sketch. Now let's click here on done. Now let's try more features. For example, now I would like to add divider here, or let's say you would like to have check sheet. So here you can see you have all different kind of options available. So in this way guys, you can able to create the perfect note that consists of different types of component. In order to organize it in a better way, if I click here on file and then notebook, here you can create a whole notebook here. So I'm gonna write here Technoholic, and there we go. Here we have got this Technoholic notebook, and then you can create new note inside this notebook, just like what we did in this first notebook. So all your notes will be saved like this, and here you can see some of initial notes that I have created. So the benefit of having notebook is you can further organize and group your notes. If you want to share your notes with someone, then you can click here on share, and that's how guys you will able to share with your colleagues. Not only that, you also have option to publish to web, that will facilitate you to publish your Evernote in internet as well. Now I have already published it. Now simply I need to click here on view website, and there we have it. It looks really nice, I would say. And then you can click on save and open in Evernote, and that's how your colleague can also open it in Evernote. So guys, you have seen how powerful and versatile is Evernote, and then this app is very old and very reliable. It also comes with paid plan. So if I click here on upgrade, here you will see the different plans available. For example, in case of personal, it's gonna cost you around $3.50 per month. And then here we can see what are additional benefits we're going to have. So here we are getting 10 GB of cloud data monthly limit, and then one can create up to 1,000 notebooks and can have 100,000 notes, which is really nice to have. So I would suggest you to start with a free version, and if you find it useful, then you can switch to personal, professional or teams plan. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content, and I will catch you soon with one such productivity video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.